Have you ever wondered about the life of Prophet Musa, a figure of great prominence in the religious world? Revered in multiple faiths, his life is woven with fascinating tales and divine encounters. Dive with us into the captivating chronicles of Prophet Musa's life. Born in times of turmoil, Musa's life takes a surprising twist. Amidst the pharaoh's reign, he comes into the world. Raised within the grandeur of the pharaoh's palace, the irony of his situation is striking. Little did the pharaoh know, the boy he raised would become his greatest challenge. From royal courts to divine purpose, Musa is chosen for a mission. The Almighty chose Musa, revealing to him his divine purpose through an encounter with a burning bush. Amidst the flames, God's voice echoed, entrusting him with the monumental task of leading the Israelites out of Egypt, away from oppression and towards liberation. This divine revelation marked a turning point in Musa's life, a shift from a prince to a prophet. With God's guidance, Musa stepped up to his destiny. A leader emerges, guiding his people towards freedom. In the heart of adversity, Prophet Musa stands tall, his faith unwavering, his courage unyielding. He confronts the pharaoh, unleashing 10 plagues upon Egypt, each a sign of divine intervention. Yet the most miraculous of all was the parting of the sea. A testament to Musa's unshakable faith, the waters gave way, providing a path to liberation. Amidst trials and tribulations, his conviction never faltered. Against all odds, Musa led his people to freedom. A divine encounter on Mount Sinai leads to a historic revelation. Prophet Musa finds himself in the presence of the divine, receiving the 10 Commandments, a moral compass guiding human conduct. Inscribed in stone, the commandments became a beacon for all mankind. The life of Prophet Musa, a tale of faith, courage, and divine purpose. From his royal childhood to his divine mission, his life stands as a testament to resilience and faith. Prophet Musa, a man of faith who defied a pharaoh, led a nation, and left a legacy that continues to inspire millions across the globe.